Okay, you guys see the thumbnail? Let's get straight to it, man. I've been checking out this car for a couple of months. It's been sitting in this spot here for 10 years plus, I should say. Few of you guys have seen, or I told you guys about it, but now you're gonna see it in video form. All right, let's go around with it. Now, the first thing you can see that this is an aftermarket piece and it's broken. We need a new one of those. Rear bumper is broken and cracking.
What's cracking? What's cracking? What's cracking?
Now, obviously, it's been sitting in the on the ground so for 10 years. Not in the garage, not on cement. So we all know underneath is shot. As we go around it, the body is pretty good, all around there and everything. The hood is dented up here. That's the most important part, but it's dented right around there. The bumpers and everything is good. The wheels are good. I'm sure the calipers are seized and everything. Door is locked, but let's see if we can go in it. The wing is good. This door is open. All right. It's all stock, missing a lot of stuff, but a lot of literature is in there. All right, here's the story behind this. The guy brought it in, he wanted to restore the car. This was 10 years ago. So I just spoke to the guy. He said that he put a bigger turbo on it, right? A bigger turbo and everything. But what the guy didn't understand, owner, you put a bigger turbo in it, you know, you got to compensate for that. The engine is small, 2.3, and you put a bigger turbo on it, damn near supra turbo, I should say. You know, you got the computer there, the Cardone. Basically, he said he put around $2,500 worth in parts, but the labor, he said I would never get the labor back. Now, the guys, they even had the schematics, and look, the wiring diagram here and everything. I mean, let me see what it says. Yeah, yep, see, Super Tool Automotive, fuse block under dash, diagram. You know what I mean? He had everything. They were really going in it. You know what I mean? You know, they did an AC retrofit, everything. As you can see, you know, they were really trying to go in and get everything done. As you can see, they just had a lot of little parts that we were doing. I think this is the stock turbo, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if we can move it back. I think this is the stock turbo that he was speaking about. Yep, that's it. So he was telling the truth. You know, that's the stock turbo that's in there. And look at it. It's so old, the plastic bubble wrap is messed up. So the man is speaking all truth here, man. He's telling the truth. I'm trying to wheel and deal with him. I know the car is worth. He knows what the car is worth. He said he didn't look up on what the car is worth. You know what I mean? He just said, right now, I just want it off my property. And it's, you know, it's just a lot of little stuff in here. I mean, I like it. I mean, it's small. Don't get me wrong, it's small, but for what we got going on, let me see, the last time it was registered, 2004. Eastern Avenue apartment. Ooh. We need that registration right there. We keep that in our back pocket because we may need that. So to get in touch with that guy, see the ECU, all the books and literature, body, chassis, electric. You know what I mean? We got a lot of stuff here. You know, this is pretty daggone good. It's not as bad interior wise as one would think, but it's still bad. I like it. The roof, if you guys can see, the ceiling or whatever you want to call it, that's all there, man. It's good. It's nice. This seat is good, kind of good. I mean, the seats need to be redone. This is going to be a high number. You know, I know about this. This is going to be a real high number. Let me move back a little bit so you guys can kind of see what we're dealing with here. You know, it's, you know, it's pretty good. Interior here is still good. It's not that bad, but we know underneath is a pain. You see, this is one of the reasons why I didn't get the Torino. This would be a better hit than the Torino. You know what I mean? And I guess you guys all can agree with me on that. I even bought Torino parts. Even probably Harrison knows, and Daniel know that I went and I bought a Torino part for the Torino that I didn't even get, because I was that serious about it. You know what I mean? The part was dumb cheap and it needed it, and I was really gung-ho on getting that. But this car here was the catalyst for me to stop, because this is cool. It's ultra rare. Like I told you guys before, am I into Mustangs or anything like that? Not really. But this here is really not a Mustang. Man, I don't even know how to open this thing. Hold on, let me try to get this open. Don't laugh at this. This is the EcoBoost before the EcoBoost. You know what I mean? And this thing is good, man. And it does have a bigger turbo on it. You can see it. So before we even start this engine, we have to freshen up a lot of things, and still, man, we have to break it all the way down and get a lot of things done. The hood is dented right here, but that could be an easy fix actually. You can still use the same hood. The electrical is going to be very insane and intensive on what we're gonna have going on here, man. I mean, but it's still quite doable. You just have to work with it. So I don't know what you guys think about this. Is it doable or what? I can see there's a lot to be done over this. It's crazy, but we need to really think about this. I mean, it's really a no-brainer. It's really all about what the guy want to do with it. Now, to get a nice overview, fenders, the wheels are good, man. The body is good. Body is good. Yeah, the body is really good. Body is good up top, man. Really good up top. God dang it, the body is good. It's just, is he gonna, you know, go for it? And that's what we're trying to work with. A lot of stuff we got to clean up underneath there. Man, that is a nest that just accumulated underneath there. Wow, 10 years of sitting here. Now, all you guys on YouTube, yeah, talking about, oh man, the car's been sitting for 10 years. I know personally this car's been sitting for 10 years. Plus, you know what I mean? I know, I watched it. A lot of years, man. I think it's even 15 years. You guys leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. What you think the price should be. A fair price. I know most of you guys say $200, $300. Come on, man. You know the deal, man. You know what this is. You know what I mean? It's all original. You know what I mean? It's in some shrubbery. Don't get it messed up. It's in some shrubbery. And we're going to try to get this thing going, man. Oh man, let's go back into the interior, man. Let's do that again. Let's do this again, man. Let's double check. See the doors, glass, molding, still pretty daggone decent. Seats are chewed, but that's doable. It didn't even, no rainwater in here. You know what I mean? No greenery in here. You know? 5-speed, turbo, new turbo, parts list out the wazoo, ECU over there. It's pretty good, pretty good. Come on, man. Let me know what you guys think about this. Be honest, all right? Be honest about it. Drop a comment below. This is all during Wire Week. I had to come over here and look at this. You guys remember that Mustang 2? I missed out on that Mustang 2. That's a double entendre. And I don't want to miss out on this Mustang 2. So you get what I'm trying to say here, man, is that, look, I'm trying to keep money freed up so I don't spend all in one spot, because just in case that man called me and say, hey, come pick up this Mustang, I have to be ready. I can't say, oh, can you hold it, or can you do this? Yo, can you give me the Mustang? You know what I mean? He's not really too quick to sell it, because think about it, he had held it for around 10 to 15 years. So behind the scenes, I'm over here doing this. This will be in the next video here. I'm getting this all situated and everything. That's what I'm doing behind the scenes now. You guys don't remember, or I told you in the video, I had a part for the Ford Torino. And this wasn't an impulse buy. I was just so sure that I was going to get that Torino, and that is the reason why the Torino is not even here right about now. The whole plan was to get the Torino right about now, but It doesn't make any sense. That Mustang makes sense. That's what's going on. Now, you don't think I forgot about this car here. We are going to get back to it. And that's why I haven't really gone deeply into the motor, and I'm trying to save a lot of money on the side to really get this done properly, but in a cheap way. So, you know, I have my son, he's cleaning the heads right now, and he's taking a long time. You know how the kids get, you know what I mean? So I ain't pressuring him too much, but I know exactly what I need to do now because things have changed. So thank you guys for watching this episode of Build Something TV, man. Hope you guys were enlightened. Now, on the next video, we're going to be getting back to the, no, not that, but this. Yes, we're going to be going back to the Cobra Roush build. You know, Mr. Random situation. So we're going to get in here and clean this whole thing up. You know, start moving some stuff. You know what I mean? And we may even try some things underneath there. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Click like and subscribe. And please, man, if you want to donate to the channel, donate to the channel. It may go to this or some other stuff behind me. But if you do not donate to the channel, guess what, man? You don't need to donate, man. Just click like, subscribe, comment. That's the most important part. That's the part that I enjoy. The comment section where I can converse with you guys back and forth, man, and that is the most important part. So we'll see you guys there in the comment section, and we'll talk about this build here, man, and some other stuff, and the Maverick, and this, all right? Later, man.
Sport cars are not popular right now, the little two-place cars, but if you build the right thing when the things are unpopular, that's the time to go build something.